Framer is making a splash in the website building world, especially for designers. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes Framer stand out and where it might fall short for your next project. Framer is a website builder that emphasizes design flexibility, making it particularly appealing to creatives. It allows users to create visually stunning websites using a drag and drop interface, which is intuitive and user-friendly. The platform also offers pre-designed templates that can be customized, which is great for those who want to jumpstart their projects. One of the standout features is the ability to incorporate interactive elements and animations, which can really elevate a website's aesthetic. However, while the design tools are robust, the learning curve might be a bit steep for complete beginners who aren't familiar with web design concepts. The intended audience seems to be designers and developers who want more than just a cookie-cutter website. But there's a lack of clarity around some advanced features, and it may leave users wondering how to fully utilize the potential of the platform. Overall, it feels like a solid option, but some aspects could certainly use more transparency. When it comes to pros, Framer's design capabilities are impressive. The ability to create custom animations and interactions is a big plus for designers looking to showcase their work. The interface is sleek, making it enjoyable to use. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The pricing can be a bit high, especially for those just starting out or working on small projects. Plus, the advanced features may be overwhelming for users who aren't as tech savvy. There's also limited documentation on some tools, which could leave users in the dark. Framer might not suit those who prefer a straightforward, no-frills website builder, but for designers seeking creative control, it could be a great fit. In conclusion, Framer is worth considering if you're a designer looking for an aesthetically pleasing, feature-rich website builder. However, if you're a beginner or need a simpler solution, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has potential, but make sure it aligns with your specific needs before diving in.